Did you know an entire Soviet division of 18,000 men was wiped out by just 900 Finnish ski troops? December 1939, the Winter War had begun, and the Soviets were confident. The 44th Motorized Division rolled down the Rat Road with tanks, artillery, and overwhelming numbers. They thought modern equipment would crush the Finns easily, but the Finns had other plans. As temperatures dropped to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit, Finnish ski troops struck like ghosts in the forest. They cut the Soviet column into isolated pieces, trapping thousands of soldiers in their vehicles. The cold became their worst enemy. Weapons froze solid, engines died, supplies turned to ice. Soviet soldiers couldn't escape their metal coffins as Finnish snipers picked them off one by one. Tanks became frozen tombs. Trucks turned into death traps. In just days, an entire division ceased to exist. The Rade Road became a graveyard of twisted metal and frozen corpses. Modern warfare meant nothing when nature itself became the weapon.